stop laughing. You might choke yourself. Oh my god, Aten, never knew that you were such a good kisser. Jeng, and we have Wangsha, a huge round of applause. Make sure to invite me for dinner, okay? For the competition, let's hear from the other cook. Are you ready? Okay, they're ready. Alright, shall we proceed? Can we have the chicken here, please? The cook. Okay, wait. The participants, are you ready? Who do you think will get the local chicken tonight? In 3, 2, 1, go! He got it. Oh my god, our president's got it. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the winners for the Rooster competition.
Rooster
we have
getting
Sir
competition.
James,
Yes.
and we have Wangsha. A huge round of applause. Sir, make sure to invite me for dinner, okay? Deal. In 2 minutes, let's see who will be the winner. Josephites, are we ready? Contestants, are you ready? Yeah. All right. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Let's go!
All right.
Yay, the competition is going strong.
I guess the snail is not well cooked. All right, Timba is going for it. Oh my God, Sister Rani, you're gonna win. Sister, go for it. You just say two snails and you give up.
This Leah, try harder.
Atemba is going for it. Leah, come on, stop laughing. You might choke yourself. Oh my god, Aten, never knew that you were such a good kisser.
This Leah gave up.
He's trying his best. Maybe it's his first time, so he's, learning how to kiss a girl. So after this, girl, ladies, be aware of him, okay?
Aden, come on!
Aten, come on, he's going for it.
Fighting.
All right, in 10 seconds. 10, let's count it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, up! The winner!
Oh,
a huge round of applause. Second, we have Atemba.